Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the even function inside of Microsoft Excel. So the even function is pretty simple, and its goal is to round a number to the nearest even number that we have. So for example here 1.1 will be rounded to 2. Here 2.3 will be rounded to 4 because the next even number in this case will be 4. So this is really the goal of this function. The way it works is pretty simple. It only contains one argument. So once we start writing the function, we only need to enter the number that we want to round up or the cell in which that number is. So let's try it out. So let's say we want to round up this number right here. I'm just open up my parentheses. And as you can see here, the only argument will be the number. So in my case, the number will be on the cell C7. So I can either write down my number or just select the cell that it contains. And it's going to be rounded up to 2. Now if I want to do the same thing for this number right here, I can just copy and paste my function. And as you can see, it's going to be 4. For this one right here, it's going to be 6. And for this number right here, it's going to be -2. So this is how we use the even function inside of Microsoft Excel. So if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, you can check out the link down below with all my Microsoft Excel courses. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.